How to zoom a video clip. To zoom a video clip, click the FX button on the clip to open the Effects dialog. Select Zoom. In the clip preview, you'll see a widget with handles on each edge. Drag these handles to define the zoom. Click Play on the sequence preview to see your clip with the zoom applied. Continue watching for additional details on how to zoom a video and add animation to your zoom with VideoPad. If you'd like to apply the zoom effect to a clip in the sequence, simply select the clip, then click the FX button. Select the zoom effect from the effects list. To apply zoom to a clip in the media bin, select the clip, then click the Video Effects button on the toolbar. Then, select the zoom effect. For a simple zoom effect, adjust the widget in the clip preview. The widget has handles, which are the small squares on the corners and center points of the widget. Click and drag a handle to adjust the zoom area. You can also fine-tune the zoom using the sliders in the zoom properties or by entering a specific percentage in the text box. To reposition the zoom area, click the center of the widget and drag it to the desired location. To maintain a set aspect ratio, select from the aspect ratio drop-down list. To animate the zoom effect, click the Show Animation Editor button on the far right of the Effects toolbar. Then, enable the animation lines for each axis. Position the cursor at the start of the clip in the preview window, and click the Add Keyframes at Current Position button in the animation editor. Adjust the widget to your starting zoom position, or leave it at full frame if you prefer. Move the cursor to the end of the clip in the preview, click the Add Keyframes at Current Position button again, and adjust the widget to the desired ending zoom position. To preview the animation, check the box next to Preview Effect and click Play in the clip preview window. If you need to make further adjustments, simply uncheck the Preview Effect box. For more VideoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.